In travel news for February 16th, 2023, we talk about Celebrity Cruises' major achievement, new itineraries from Uniworld Boutique River Cruises, and American Queen Voyages' new port of call. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. Celebrity Cruises has become the first ocean cruise line to receive a Forbes Travel Guide Star Award for luxury. 5 of the company's relaxed luxury resorts at sea, the Celebrity Apex, Celebrity Flora, Celebrity Edge, Celebrity Millennium, and Celebrity Summit, were included in the 2023 Star Awards, which typically rank luxury hotels, restaurants, and spas. Forbes Travel Guide is the only global rating system for luxury hotels, restaurants, and spas, and now for ocean cruise ships. Celebrity ships were rated on hundreds of exacting standards and evaluated by anonymous, trained inspectors who stayed on board the ships for at least 2 nights. The company's fleet, except for 2 smaller Galapagos ships, will continue to be evaluated in the year ahead. The ranking is a testament to Celebrity's effort to position itself as a luxury resort at sea and deliver exceptional service and relaxed luxury experiences to its guests. Uniworld Boutique River Cruises has launched a limited edition collection of unique itineraries, offering exclusive experiences on a limited number of annual departures. The collections include LGBTQ+ sailings, cycling-themed cruises, and floating art workshops with special guest artists, among others. The collection features offerings that are available for one time only, such as the popular mystery cruises and world trips spanning the globe. The collection is designed to bring like-minded travelers together for extra special trips, unique to Uniworld's portfolio. For more information about the limited edition collection or about Uniworld Boutique River Cruises, give us or your travel advisor a call. American Queen Voyages has announced that they will be adding a new port of call to their Great Lakes cruises in 2023, the Delta County port city of Escanaba, Michigan, located on Lake Michigan. Escanaba will be included in some of the Ocean Navigator and Ocean Voyager itineraries, providing guests with a range of exciting experiences, such as a cultural educational session on Native American stories and values with the Woodland Sky Native American Dance Company, a local shopping district with a variety of boutiques and specialty shops, several art galleries and museums, and fresh catch dining experiences for fishing enthusiasts. The decision to add Escanaba to the itinerary is part of American Queen Voyages' effort to showcase lesser-known destinations in North America and provide travelers with exceptional experiences that showcase the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the places they visit. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.